Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. Listen up. If you are here for the first time, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like the information that I'm going to provide today, you can hit the notification bell and you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Today, I'm going to be talking about a postcard opportunity and how I was able to generate $12,000 that went into my bank account by using this system. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is this is going to be a playlist, a series of different training modules that I'm going to give you to show you how to have success with this opportunity and how to promote it the right way. And I'm going to start out basically by giving you some information. We're going to go into the marketing techniques that I use as the days go by. Not only that, the things that you want to make sure that you have when you come into this business. We're going to also talk about how to go ahead and promote this online and offline and what to do best with this opportunity based off of how much time you have, and not only that, how much money you have to put into this opportunity. So first, what I would like to do is here is my channel before we move forward. I have a ton of videos here. If you want to see some of the different opportunities that I'm currently involved in, you can go to my channel and just click on this information. And then also for the postcard opportunity, there are videos of webinars that we have held, but not only that, different information that I give you based off of how this opportunity works. Now, right here, I just want to show you some proof that this works. And this is not to brag, but to show you what is possible if you decide to get involved in this opportunity. So here we have today, I went ahead and made a deposit of $12,500 into my business account. And this is from affiliate marketing, from actually using affiliate marketing methods to produce a full-time income from the comfort of my home. This is the stuff that I teach. This is what I have learned over the years. And this is what allowed me to free myself and start earning multiple six figures a year from the comfort of my home. Here we have the website for the postcard opportunity. I do get involved in a lot of different postcard opportunities as long as they work. You get paid from them consistently. Not only that, it depends on how long the opportunity has been around for. And with this one, it's been around for quite a while. I've been promoting it for a year. I have made six figures with this opportunity, and the numbers are continuing to grow. Cash Building System Unlimited is the name of the program. And what I love about this opportunity is that you don't have to have any experience. There's no cold calling. You don't have to do emailing and spamming if you don't want to. I highly do not recommend spamming, but if you don't want to use emails, you don't have to. No selling to strangers. You don't have to explain the program. I tell people all the time to let the website do the selling and telling for you. There's no auto ship. You don't have to have any tons of physical products that you're selling. There's no computer required, no internet connection needed. There's no confusing systems. So this is the front of the postcard. Here, when you get started for just a one-time fee of $50, you're going to get a postcard like this, where you just put in your ID, and then you're going to get the leads, which is the labels that go on the front of the postcard that goes out to people who may be interested in promoting this opportunity. Here is the back of the postcard, which gives you the different levels that are available for you to purchase when you get involved in this opportunity. I always tell people, start where you feel most comfortable. And not only that, start where you, like if you want to make a full-time income with this, let's say you want to make $1,500, $3,000 a month. You don't want to start at the lowest level. It's just going to take too many people to get there. Maybe you start at level 1, 3, 5, or 7. Again, it depends on how much money you want to make. When you come in with any of these entry fees, these are the payouts that you will receive from level 1. Level 2 is what your sponsor will receive when people sign up. So you do have the fast start bonuses. You have spillover bonuses, upgrade bonuses, and residual income with this opportunity. When you join today, just for $50, a one-time payment, you're going to get 200 done for you postcards, 200 targeted leads. You're going to get the information for the discount pricing for stamps, which we're going to also go over during this series of trainings. You're going to get our private offline marketing strategies, exclusive Facebook access, for paid members. And then I also go over how to promote this opportunity online if you decide you want to do online and offline marketing. Okay. When you decide to upgrade, which you can actually do right away, you do not have to wait to upgrade. Once you come in at level 1, you can automatically upgrade to the next level. This is going to get you an additional 200 postcards and leads. And that's just going to allow you to collect higher payouts at those levels. Okay. So if you want to take a look at this website and go through the information and also the video that they provide about the opportunity, you can do so by just clicking on the description area right below this video. In the description is the information for this opportunity. We have here level 1. You can click here to join now. Level 2 and level 3. And our bonus level is here, where you can click any of these buttons to upgrade to the next levels, which again is going to allow you to get higher payouts at those levels. So this here, what you're looking at is a customized website that I offer to people who join this opportunity. It will come with your picture, your name, your ID. Everyone gets an ID when they join the opportunity, your email, phone number, and then if you want, you can put your social media link here where they can connect with you using social media. We have some fast action bonuses. I'm not going to go through each one now. You can click on the link and get the information for the bonuses, but this is going to just help you speed up the process to start getting results as quickly as possible with this opportunity. Okay. So here, there are a ton of different bonuses that we offer, and this is just going to help you to have success with this opportunity. And not only that, give you some training to understand what you need to be doing when you decide to join this opportunity. Okay. So I just wanted to share my results. Again, these payments that I've been getting have been consistent with this opportunity. This is a great time to start a program like this because over the next 3 months, people are going to be looking for a business from home. People are going to be looking for online and offline marketing opportunities, affiliate marketing opportunities, multi-level marketing opportunities. I always tell people, go with something that's newbie friendly, that's going to allow you to earn while you learn. So if you're looking for something that's beginner friendly, you definitely want to take a look at this opportunity. And again, I am available if you need to reach out to me and have any questions about how this works, or if there's anything that you need me to clarify, I will be willing to help you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I look forward to seeing you on Inside. Have a great night.